The Kia K5 was introduced in 2021 as an all-new model to replace the mid-size Optima. With the car set to enter its fourth version year on sale, the K5 will apparently obtain a facelift. Kia hasn't confirmed anything, however, right here's what we anticipate to see with the 2024 Kia K5. Greatly camouflaged Kia K5 cars have actually been seen overseas, hinting towards large adjustments to the sedan's exterior layout. Despite putting on heavy camouflage, we expect the 2024 K5's front end to feature upgraded headlights, a new grille, and a modified front bumper. The backside of the sedan that Kia was testing was covered, though we might see new taillights and a somewhat modified rear bumper. We don't recognize what Kia has in store for the 2024 K5's cabin. Kia could make small tweaks, like upgraded air vents, somewhat upgraded facility console controls, a modified guiding wheel, as well as a new change handle style. However, we anticipate things to mainly continue to be the very same on the within. We expect the 2024 Kia K5 ahead with a lot of the exact same tech functions as the present design that's on sale. The K5 includes an 8-inch touchscreen, cordless Apple CarPlay as well as Android Car, Bluetooth, 6 audio speakers, and also 4 USB ports. Offered attributes consist of a 10.25-inch touchscreen, a cordless billing pad, a Bose stereo, and also navigating. The existing K5 is available with two powertrains. The base K5 comes with a turbo 1.6-liter four-cylinder engine that makes 180 horsepower. A turbocharged 2.5-liter four-cylinder engine that's ranked at 290 horsepower is offered. The conventional engine is paired with an 8-speed automatic, while the extra effective motor includes an 8-speed dual-clutch automated. These engines should be provided on the 2024 K5. Kia offers a lengthy listing of safety attributes on the K5, which we anticipate to go unmodified for 2024. Typical features consist of forward accident caution, automated emergency braking, pedestrian discovery, a vehicle driver interest monitor, lane keeping help, blind spot tracking, and also back cross traffic alert. Readily available functions consist of reverse automatic emergency braking, junction assist, adaptive cruise control, lane centering aid, auto parking sensing units, and a surround view car parking cam.